This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Ranger 1000. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. In the front of the vehicle, you will find the headlights, front grille, which can be removed to clean the front of the radiator, bumper, and winch if equipped. The vehicle hood can be removed by turning the two quarter-turn latches and sliding forward. Underneath the hood, you will find the pulse bar, coolant overflow reservoir, and radiator cap. Moving to the front suspension, you will find the shock assembly, control arms, CV joints and axle, ball joints, and tie rod assembly. The brake fluid reservoir can be viewed through the left front wheel well. On the side of the vehicle, you will find the cab nets. Once inside the driver's seat, the seat can be adjusted using the lever in the middle of the seat. Under the driver's seat is a storage bin. In front of the driver's seat, you will find the cup holder, headlight switch, spare auxiliary slots, steering wheel tilt lever, lower storage, instrument cluster with mode and navigation, ignition switch, and shifter. On the center dash, you'll find upper storage, cup holders, all-wheel drive switch, spare auxiliary slots, 12-volt auxiliary outlet, battery trickle charger, and 12-volt auxiliary outlet. Under the passenger seat is a storage bin. Below the passenger seat are cup holders. On the passenger side of the dash, you'll see the passenger grab handle, cup holder, and the glove box with the toolkit. The toolkit includes the following. Below the dashboard is lower storage. Under the passenger side rear seat is a storage bin. Under the storage bin is the battery, fuse box, and diagnostic plug. Under the driver's side rear seat is a storage bin. In the rear, you can also find the passenger handholds and cup holders. The fuel cap is located on the driver's side of the vehicle. Tilting the cargo box will give you access to the spark plugs, oil fill cap, dipstick, and oil filter. In the driver's side rear wheel well is the air filter and drive belt cover. Moving to the rear suspension, you'll find the shock assembly, sway bar link, control arms, and CV boot and axle. In the rear of the vehicle is the hitch receiver. The tailgate can be lowered by releasing the rear cargo box latch. Once lowered, you can find safety labels with load and tire pressure specifications, D-rings, and cup holders. There are 2 grease fittings on the rear sway bar and 2 grease fittings located on the prop shaft. Reference your owner's manual for grease points on your vehicle. The VIN is stamped on the chassis in the driver's rear wheel well above the clutch cover. Always read all warning labels on your vehicle before riding. A detailed list can be found in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.